Here's an interesting app which is called Joe or Yo Easy Recipes and Groceries, and it's really trending high right now in the App Store charts, ratings. Select from thousands of homemade recipes created by our team of foodies and tailored to your taste, kitchen, and household size. Joe's dynamic shopping list is optimized for the number of people in your home. Never buy more or less than you really need. Once you have selected your meals, Joe automatically orders the necessary ingredients for your recipes, plus all your other categories. What's for dinner? So that's the app. You can see just a few ratings actually, but yeah, this app is climbing in charts. It was among top 100 apps today in the US App Store. And so yeah, you can just open the app. So let's actually try to create an account. So you need to select where your location. At the moment it's only France or United States. How many people are you feeding? You can select your tastes. So then you can add dislikes. So you can select so your location. Then you can just enter your zip code. And then you just create your account with Facebook, Google, or Apple. So that's basically what you can try to do. And that's the idea. Join the club, and then again they prompt you to sign up for a newsletter. And then I just want to sign in with Apple. So yeah, something like that. It should work. It doesn't. So let's just open it up again. So here is the app again. So yep, after opening the app, I can log in. So and then I just want to create 4 meals. So here I have 4 meals. So let's just you can see all the ingredients. You can see the recipe. You can see I can see the nutrition facts. And that's basically that's my menu. Then I create my grocery list. And then I just add all of that. And that's basically the list I can go and buy in grocery and prepare all this stuff. And then I can just look how to cook it. And it's very like intuitive, nice videos. So kind of like a TikTok style for cooking. So that's why this app is kind of very interesting. So yep, something around it. Hope this is helpful, and thank you for watching.